Hello and welcome. You are now looking at an account with ChatGPT that is enabled with the paid version. And if you go to your account area, there are a number of elements that you'll want to pay attention to as you determine how you want to use ChatGPT for your business or your organization. As of the recording of this video, in the account area, you're going to see four different tabs. The first tab you're going to see is going to be My Plan. And this is where you can determine if and how you're going to upgrade your plan. You can upgrade to a Plus account, or you can also have a team account, which allows you to work together with another individual that may be part of your organization. This will allow you to share GPTs within your workspace, as well as to have higher message caps inside of ChatGPT. Now, with a paid account, if you go to your drop-down menu here at the top, you're going to notice here that if you hover over the most recent version, you're going to see that you have access to DALL-E, which is an image creator, web browsing, and then analysis. DALL-E will allow you to, with a prompt, write and create images. Browsing means you'll get up-to-date information, and analysis is visible when you switch to this higher version. You're going to see that you have an area here where you can attach a file and then upload that file to ChatGPT for analysis. So basically, the paid or plus account gives you access to tools to use with ChatGPT that you would not have otherwise if you were going to use the free version. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.